Okay, we want to show you something. This customer, they called us in large part because they were having water that was collecting at the front of the steps in the front of the house, and we'll show you a picture of that now. We'll cut to that picture. And what was happening is this was causing tens of thousands of dollars worth of damage in the basement. And so I thought this was the downspout pipe. As you can see, it's pretty short. It was clogged up. We cleaned it out. But this is a big issue. As a homeowner, make sure that on your downspouts that they are funneled away from the foundation of the house. If not, they can cause some serious damage. And we didn't know this was the problem. We thought this was buried, and once we dug it up, we realized that it actually vented out right next to the steps. And it was just creating all kinds of problems. So we're going to reroute this, we're going to bury it, and we're going to hook it into a French drain out front as well. And we're going to drain all of the water off the property this way, so there's not going to be an issue anymore. Thanks.